May bagong pakulo na naman dito sa Yerba Buena Garden ang San Francisco. Oh, look at that. Colossal creatures in bloom. Madami yan sila. Ayun pa yung isa. And then nandoon sa dulo yung isa. Tapos nandoon sa taas yung isa. Puntahan natin. Ayun, malaking pusa. Uy, meron pa din doon sa kabilang side. Ayun, meron din doon. Eto, maraming paa at saka maraming kamay. Wow, ang dami nila. Ayun ko cute. Look at that. May bigotit ano pa siya, oh. Ayun, meron pa doon. Yes, it is. And there's one over there. Daming seagull. Look at that. Oh, how cool. Maganda pa ng mga bulaklak. May wisteria doon. Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan ng bulaklak na yan. Ang ganda. Look at that. And then, puntahan natin ito. Ang ganda ng design. Very colorful. Para siyang, I don't know, is it a cat? Looks like a hybrid kasi may wings siya. Colossa, catbird. There you go. Catbird. Tama ako. It looks like a cat, but sabi ko hybrid. May pakpak. Catbird. Ang cool. Yan. Maganda ng mga bulaklak. Wow. Gorgeous. Lalo na yung pula na yun, parang velvet yung ano, yung dahon. The Happy Alien. Ah, Happy Alien siya. Yun, ganda yung bulaklak doon. Ganda. And of course, my favorite. The wisteria plant, flower. A cat na wall. Yung isa doon. Yan, daming ano. Ano bang tawag sa bulaklak na yan? Nakalimutan ko. Yan yung ano, little free library. Pagka gusto mong humiram, dyan ka kukuha. Or gusto mong kumuha. Tapos, pag meron ka namang gustong ipalit, ilagay mo dyan para may libre din. Diba? Nakailang kuha na ako dyan. May nilagay din ako pabalik dyan. Oh, diba? The armadillo. Armadillo, parang mukhang ano siya eh. Mukha siyang gecko na may pakpak. Ang buntot niya. Ang cute naman ng mga gumawaan ng statue na to. Yep, the armadillo. Tapos pwede maglaro ng mga chess dyan, no? Ang lago na ng puno na to. Dati, itong pathway na to, clear yan. Walang overlap, hanging na tree. But it looks good though. The shades. Punta tayo dun sa isa. Ang cute niya, may buntot siya ng fish. Para siyang dragon cheetah dahil yung ano niya, yung sa leeg yung mga print cheetah tapos may buntot. Lion bull hybrid. So cute. Look at those details. How intricate. Ang ganda. Alright, punta naman tayo sa... There's one more over there. I love these trees. It reminds me, these trees right here, it reminds me when I went to Muir Woods, Santa Cruz, around that area. Muir Woods, when we went to Mystery Spot and then we went to Muir Woods. Lalaki ng mga puno doon, grabe. Sobra, may puno pa doon na hindi mo siya mayayakap on your own. Like, kailangan 4 or 5 people together, hand in hand, para yung circumference ng tree. Pagkatapos, meron siyang parang kuweba sa katawan ng puno. Pwede kang pumasok sa loob. And what is this one? It looks like a coyote slash dragon and snake. Oh, I'm right. Look at that. Coyote. My first guess is coyote. It is coyote. Cool. This is my first time to see all of these statues. When I was here, I think the other day or maybe 2 days ago, they are not here yet. So that's why I don't know what are their names. And my guess on this one was right, coyote. Because the way it tilted its head and it looks like it's howling. So it's either wolf or coyote, but my first guess is right, coyote. Two heads. May kasama siya. Alright, I think that's it. Ganda ng mga nandun sa taas eh. Tsaka yan, I like that one too. Oh, well, I like them all. They're all unique on their own. Very colorful. And that's our church here, St. Patrick Church. Alright, I hope you guys like that. All these statues here. This is Yerba Buena Garden here in the center of downtown San Francisco between 5th and 6th Mission in front of the St. Patrick Church and next to Metreon and Target. Alright, thank you for watching and catch up with you guys on the next one.